Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining my channel today. My name is Erica and today I have a haul for you from Target of cleaning and household essentials. Target recently had a sale where if you purchased $50 worth of items, you got a $15 gift card. So I actually broke this order up into two orders, used the first $15 and applied it towards the second order. So it was a really great deal because $15 off 50 is 30%, so thought I would take advantage and kind of stock up on some of the things that I was running low on. I am currently in my daughter's room filming. Her room tends to get the best light, even though today is pretty overcast. We had rain yesterday, so I apologize. The lighting's just not that great in here today either. But that's why there's a fox in the background there. So let's get started. So the first thing we have, the box got a little bit crushed, but it's fine. Are these Clorox toilet wand refills. I use these in my daughter's bathroom, and I actually saw a tip on Brianna Kay's channel where she uses it first in her child's tub and then in the toilet, which I've started to do about every, I don't know, maybe once a month in my daughter's tub. These have more than enough cleaner inside of the little sponge. There's enough to do both that tub and the toilet. I try not to use I like to just use all natural cleaners in my daughter's tub since she does take baths. I don't know, it just kind of seems like if it's something that she's going to be soaking in, I don't really want to use something that has a real strong chemical, especially because, I mean, a tub just doesn't get that dirty. But every now and then, like I said, maybe once a month, or I'd like to give it a better scrubbing with something a little bit stronger. Or if, you know, it's been one of those days where she's a little extra dirty and gets the tub a little extra dirty, and then I might go in with something a little bit stronger. So that's what I've been doing in there. I also got for the toilet these little toilet cleaning gels where you stick it on the toilet. It's like a little plunger almost, and you take it off and it leaves this little tab. I thought I would give that a try. We have some, I don't even know, I think it's like a Lysol one that you put inside the actual water tank of your toilet. And it's actually on a subscription from Amazon Prime that we get. But I don't see any difference with those. I don't smell anything. There's not a color in the water. I don't notice it getting any cleaner in between toilet cleaning. So I wanted to give something else a try. And I figured, well, it was 30% off, I would give this a go because you know, toilets are a lot of work, and obviously they're not the funnest thing to clean. So anything that can make it easier, I am all about. I also got for my daughter's bathroom this 7th generation hand soap. We've been using a method, like the foaming kind in there, and I thought I would just give this a try because I like citrus smells, and this was mandarin orange. Again, in my daughter's bathroom, I try not to use something that's too strong. I like a more like natural type hand soap in there. But this, even though, I mean, Target, all like the liquid stuff comes individually wrapped, and this had leaked out a lot in there. I'm not sure how much I lost because it's about this empty, but I don't know how much they filled it to begin with. I'm going to go ahead and keep it just because it's not worth the hassle of returning it. And I mean, it was soap. It was pretty easy to rinse off the bottle, but this part was actually not like closed at all, so it had leaked out. But you know, it's fine. It's hand soap. Along the same lines, I got some Dawn dish soap. I really like Dawn. I've tried different brands, but just feel like Dawn does the best job of just getting grease and just all that dirt and grime off like your pots and pans. And because it's for the kitchen, we tend to use the antibacterial kind in there. I normally get a larger bottle to refill our sink dispenser, but we're going to be going to Sam's later on this week, so I just wanted to get something to get us by because we are running low. And my husband also uses Dawn for like pool cleaning type stuff, so we go through a lot of this. So that's that. Another box I got crushed in delivery, and you know, like the Target put protective stuff in there, but with all these bottle cleaners in here, all these cleaning bottles that I got, I guess it was just kind of inevitable. But the pouches inside are fine, so again, not a big deal. But I thought I would try this Lemon Shine appliance cleaner, and it is kind of there's 3 pouches, and you can clean 3 different appliances with it. You can clean your disposer, you can clean your washing machine, and you can clean your dishwasher. I didn't really need this for my washing machine. I have tablets that I use from All Fresh in there, but I wanted to try it for my dishwasher and my disposer. Because we are a small family, we're just a family of 3, we don't always have to run our dishwasher every day. But when you have just dirty dishes in there, then it gets kind of stinky. So, for in between or like once a month, I think this would be something I wanted to give a try. Next items I got were these 2 Method all-purpose cleaners. I got this one that's a pink grapefruit scent, and then this one that's a citron scent. This one's actually also antibacterial, but I got it more because of the scent. I just tend to like citrusy type scents, so I thought I would give this a try. I normally use the Miss Meyer's, I think it's the honeysuckle all-purpose cleaner, which I like, but I've been using it for a while because I had purchased the refill part, which goes a long way, and I was just kind of getting bored and wanted to give something else a try, so I thought I would give those a go. And then sticking with the Method, I also got this foaming bathroom cleaner. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I don't like to use anything that's real strong chemical-wise in my daughter's tub, so I thought I would give this a whirl and see how it works. The next item I have is the Method Squirt and Mop for wood floors. We have laminate wood flooring throughout our entryway, living room, and hallway, so all the high traffic areas. So, they tend to get a little bit more dirty quicker, and you can see footsteps. So I wanted something that was a little more easy to use than having to get out the mop and everything in between my main mopping days. So I thought I would give this a whirl. I did try it this morning before filming it, and I'm on the fence. I'm gonna have to give it a couple more tries. I've heard great things about it on YouTube, but I thought it was a little bit thick almost. I really had to work to spread it out, and I still feel like I can feel it when I'm walking around, like it almost put like a coating. So I don't want to judge too soon. I'm going to give it a couple more tries, but so far, not so sure about that. I also purchased, we were completely out as of last night, so this came in just in time, a giant Bounty paper towel from Target. I like the Selecta size, so that's what this one is. For our dinners and stuff, we don't need a full paper towel. It just seems kind of wasteful. We do well with just a half. So, and then you always have just those little spills. Like my daughter will spill milk when she's pouring it in her cereal, and it'll just be a couple of drips. And I don't need a full paper towel for that. So, I like the Selecta size, so that's what that one is. So, up next, we have some gallon slider storage bags. I just use the Target brand and have always found that those work just fine. But I like the slider because then my 8-year-old is able to, kind of get in and out without problems. I don't have to worry about whether or not she sealed them all the way. Then I also got, actually for part of back to school, another crushed box. Some snack-sized ones. We use these a lot just for her everyday after school snacks and then in her lunch. So they're kind of, they're like half the size. So, again, Target brand. Next, the Target brand Up and Up trash bags just for our kitchen. I like their bags. They're unscented, which is really big to my husband. He does not like trash bags that have a scent. And I've tried others, like the hefty ones that say they're unscented, but there's still some kind of odor in them. And just the odor mixed in with trash just doesn't work for us. So we like the Target ones because they're truly unscented. I also got these small trash bags for the kind of trash cans that you have in your bathrooms. So they're just the little ones. I've actually never used these, so I'm hoping they're the right size. And then I got these containers from Ziploc. They're just for my daughter's school lunches for next year, and they're smaller sized containers, so they're good for little things like trail mix or raisins, where she's not going to take a ton of. So I think these will work out nicely. I also got a refill for my mop. We use the O-Cedar Spin Mop, which I do love. I had ordered some online from Walmart that came in that I didn't realize it was like a 2-pack, that it was, I guess, some sort of generic brand, but the little arms to the mop are super long, and it makes it really hard to get into the actual part that spins. So I went ahead and made sure that I just ordered the regular store brand kind, but I mean, they last a while. They're washable, so, but it was time for a new one. So, got that. Then I got this. I did not realize that the container was going to be so small when I ordered it. We do a lot of like grocery shop ordering online as well, like through Shipt. So, you know, someone else kind of collects your groceries for you. And I can't tell you how many times we think we're ordering one size and get a completely another size. One time my husband thought he was ordering a block of cheese. The cheese came out and it was like the size of a butter stick. One time I thought I was ordering chips for my family and it ended up being like the kind you would take for your lunch. This is another one of those situations. I thought I was ordering a full bottle of laundry detergent and it's much smaller than I expected it to be. But I wanted to try the Method laundry detergent, and I guess this is a perfect way to try it. It's not a huge bottle that if I don't like it, I'm stuck with it, especially because I'm a little questionable on the scent. It's ginger mango, and I like, you know, like citrus type scents, and I also really like ginger, so I'm hoping that kind of put together that I'm going to like this one. My husband is a lot more particular than I am, though, so I'm a little worried he might not like it. So again, if I don't like it, at least I'm not going to have this big bottle that I'm stuck with. The only other thing I'm kind of like questioning is instead of having a cup that you pour into and then you pour into your washer, the measurements are on the side and it says you just pour it in. Maybe I'm thinking too hard about it, but I'm not quite understanding that if I'm mid-pour or I'm pouring like this, I'm not straight up and down, how will I know when I've reached the one load mark? So, you know, maybe it's just an eyeball thing, or I'm going to have to go a little bit at a time. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure that one out. If you use this detergent, please comment below and let me know if you like it or how you manage the size aspect, the measuring aspect without a cup. I'd love to hear your suggestions. If you watched my, kind of leaked out a little bit. If you watched my laundry room tour, you'll know that I consider myself a smart lady, but me and laundry detergent, we just don't mix. For some reason, I am the messiest laundry detergent pourer in the world. I have to keep a rag nearby just to kind of wipe up my counter when I'm done, because I don't know what I do. Don't even get me started on the kind that lays sideways and you push the button and it goes down the cup. That one, like, that's even more, I just don't know what I do. I'm going to be trying, I think, the pods next, just to see. Obviously, that's going to be neater. I don't think I can make a mess out of that. I just, again, question how that's going to work because my loads of laundry vary so much from size. I very much subcategorize things, and so, like, my daughter's workout clothes, because she dances 4 to 5 times a week, that's its own laundry pile, but it's not very big. And then, you know, towels is a huge pile, so I'm not quite sure how that works with the pods. I have to kind of try it out. But, you know, that's everything I got from Target. So just some basic household essentials that I needed to stock up on. A lot of it were things that I wanted to try but hadn't. And I figured, you know what, now while it's on sale and I'm going to get a gift card for it, might as well give them a try. So if you've tried any of these products, not just the laundry detergent, let me know how you like them. I'm excited to try them out. Also, let me know if you'd like a video after the haul letting you know kind of my impressions of them. I'd be happy to do that as well. So, anyhow, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day and will continue to visit my channel. Please feel free to like and please subscribe, and have a wonderful day.